But a little tap on the foot, a sway, a spin, maybe even just a little smile while they move. And somehow, seeing someone dance even like that makes everyone smile around too. Dance is just like that. It's in all of us, it's in me, it's in you. And it doesn't matter if you're trained or not, it doesn't matter if the steps are perfect. Dance is just about joy, it's about movement, and no matter what the angle of the moment is, I think dance is just expression, dance is connection. So the parents here today, you know that feeling pretty well, I hope. You've seen your children's eyes light up when they try something new. You've seen their laughter when they finally master a step and move on to an exciting step. You've seen that spark on their faces, the pride, the excitement, the joy. And it makes each moment unforgettable. So let's all do something together right now, shall we? Can we see a raise of hands, probably some claps, you can say hi to the stage, some movement? Can we all go? Thank you. Yes, that's the joy we are here to celebrate today. We celebrate that very spark. We celebrate the laughter, the effort, the passion, and the joy that dance brings to our lives, whether it is at class, home, or even our washrooms. Welcome to the Grand Annual celebration of Nitish Sai Academy. It is now my honor to introduce the guiding force, the heart, and the vision behind this academy. Mrs. Sandhya Ashok Mulya began her journey in Bharatanatyam at the young age of 9 under the guidance of her guru, Mrs. Kishupal from Mumbai. From an early age, her dedication to this classical art form shaped her path in dance. Professionally, she worked as a clinical research coordinator for diabetes in Mumbai. Alongside her career, her passion for Bharatanatyam continued, and she remained deeply committed to the learning and performing of this art form. She had the honor of performing alongside renowned actress and Bharatanatyam exponent Mrs. Sudha Chandran. In 2011, after her marriage to Mr. Ashok Mulya, she moved to Bangalore, and in 2015 she began teaching Bharatanatyam to a small group of girls from her home. What started as a humble beginning gradually grew, driven by her love for teaching and nurturing young talent. With the constant support of her husband, Mr. Ashok Mulya, this academy was established in 2015. Today, the academy has grown to train more than 900 students from India abroad, with 6 branches and 1 more coming soon. Her journey has been recognized with several prestigious awards, including the National Natya Mayuri Award, Mahila Ratna 2021, National Natya Ratna Award, National Natya Shiromani Award, and many more, including the recognition from the Worldwide Book of Records, amongst many others. She is also an active member of the women's rights activists, contributing beyond to the world of dance. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Sandhya Ashok Mulya as she comes forward to address the gathering.
A very warm welcome to everyone here today. So we have finished our first session with 100 students, and this is the second slot of the day. We are starting. We have one more third slot also in the evening. First, I would want to thank all for the parents. Thank you for trusting us, supporting us, and letting us be a part of the children's journey. Your belief means the world to us, and we are so grateful for it. A big thank you to our teachers and support staff. Your hard work, patience, and love for dance make everything possible. I'm also thankful to the Almighty for giving us these opportunities, for giving us the strength, and for guiding us every step of the way. Nitish Sai Academy is not only a school, it's a family of thousands of parents, students, teachers, and friends who have grown together from a small beginning to a 6 branches. In 2015, I have started the academy with a very small number of students at 10. And now, in 2026, this is the 11th annual day. In 11 years, the count has reached, we have crossed 950 students in Bharatanatyam itself. The other organizers is wherever we are going all over the India for the performance, the strength of the students will be more from our side itself. So that's the reason, and due to many more reasons, for the convenience of the parents, we have started Nitya Seva. So in 2025, we have done event in Tiruvannamalai, Shirdi Sai Baba, Sai Baba's temple, then Anjaneya temple and Rama temple in Bangalore. And this year we are lined up with 2 Arangetrams coming up. Now we have 6 branches. The next week we are opening one more branch. Through our academy, now many more art forms have joined. So we have moreover 82 teachers, teaching staff with us, and around 25-30 non-teaching staff. So it has become a huge family now. By God's blessings, we are able to employ many artists in our institute as well to share their knowledge. Thank you so much for supporting. Let's start the event. Thank you.